On behalf of TrustWave Government Solutions and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around evolving your posture for emerging ransomware trends, where you will hear from Grayson Lennick, Director of Consulting and Professional Services at TrustWave Government Solutions, share his expertise on the evolution of ransomware and break down a case study of a recent ransomware attack.
Here's our agenda for today's talk. We're going to talk a little bit about ransomware and really try to help you define it. Talk about some updated statistics and a little bit of history, as well as talk about some specific ransomware variants and the targets that we see being attacked with those variants. We'll talk a little bit for the tech folks and the defenders out there. We'll talk a little bit about attack vectors. We'll walk through a case study from a ransomware process from infection all the way through to encryption. We'll talk a little bit about indicators of compromise and where you can go find them. And then finally, some conclusions and just a little bit of general advice from yours truly.